We're about to explore some of the smartest, sleekest, and most surprising tech innovations 2025 has to offer. From tools that boost your daily grind to gear that levels up your lifestyle, we've got it all lined up. Expect smart design, powerful features, and clever little details you didn't know you needed. Whether you're working, creating, or just having fun, these gadgets are built to make life easier. Get ready for some serious wow factor, because this lineup is anything but ordinary. Love discovering game-changing gadgets? Then go ahead, tap that like button and hit subscribe. First up, we have a multifunctional device that's more than just a wireless speaker. It combines a phone stand, wireless charger, and speakerphone all in one sleek design. With 360-degree sound, adjustable angles, and voice recognition, it's perfect for virtual meetings and hands-free calls. The advanced noise-canceling feature ensures your voice is crystal clear, even in noisy environments. Plus, it boasts a 16-hour battery life, making it ideal for long workdays or extended calls. Next, for content creators and selfie enthusiasts, there's a versatile selfie stand equipped with a built-in ring light. It offers 5 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures, ensuring you always have the perfect lighting. The stand is foldable, rotates 360 degrees, and connects via Bluetooth, making it easy to capture stunning photos and videos from any angle. With up to 12 hours of battery life, it's your go-to tool for vlogging, live streaming, or video conferencing. For music lovers, check out these open-ear wireless earbuds designed for comfort and longevity. They provide an impressive 168 hours of playback time and come with replaceable batteries, so you're never without your favorite tunes. The dual device pairing feature allows seamless switching between devices, and their waterproof design ensures durability during workouts or outdoor activities. These earbuds are lightweight, flexible, and built for all-day wear, perfect for anyone on the go. Now here's a tool that's both functional and fun. This compact gadget serves as a ruler, caliper, spanner, and even a fidget toy. Made from durable materials, it's perfect for quick measurements, minor repairs, or simply relieving stress during a busy day. Its magnetic components ensure precision and ease of use, making it a handy addition to any desk or toolbox. Great for students, designers, or hobbyists, this multi-tool packs serious versatility into a pocket-friendly form. It's not just about utility. Its sleek, minimalist design also makes it a conversation piece. For athletes and soccer enthusiasts, there's a smart rebounder that takes training to the next level. It's portable, weatherproof, and equipped with sensors that track your timing and accuracy. Whether you're practicing alone or with a partner, the accompanying app provides drills and feedback to improve your skills. Setup is quick, and its adjustable angles cater to various training needs. It's built to handle all types of surfaces, grass, sand, or concrete, making it great for backyards or serious training grounds. Creative professionals will appreciate a modular control station designed for tasks like video editing, music production, and gaming. With customizable touch controls, LED indicators, and programmable shortcuts, it streamlines your workflow. The sleek design and intuitive interface make it a valuable asset for enhancing productivity and creativity. Whether you're scrubbing through timelines, adjusting audio levels, or launching apps, this control center adapts to your needs. Say goodbye to clunky shortcuts. This is creative control redefined. Outdoor adventurers will love a portable shower that heats water in seconds, providing a comfortable experience even in remote locations. It's lightweight, adjustable, and operates on battery or DC input. Whether you're camping, hiking, or at the beach, this device ensures you can freshen up with ease. For a futuristic approach to payments and identification, consider a palm scanning device that lets you pay or check in with a simple wave of your hand. It's secure, contactless, and easy to set up using your existing accounts. Embrace the convenience of biometric technology in your daily life. Enhance your home security with an AI-powered doorbell that recognizes faces and provides real-time alerts for strangers, packages, and more. It integrates with smart home systems and doesn't require a subscription for basic features. Stay informed and in control of your home's safety. In the realm of drones, there's a heavy-duty model capable of transporting packages over long distances. It's designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and offers impressive stability and signal range. With autonomous navigation and a built-in camera, it's revolutionizing aerial deliveries. Never worry about your scooter or cart running out of battery again. A wireless charging pad allows you to recharge simply by parking over it. No cables needed. It's perfect for various electric vehicles and ensures you're always ready to go. Organize your workspace with a magnetic desk tool that charges devices, holds your phone, and keeps cables tidy. Its sleek design complements any desk setup, and the built-in lighting adds a touch of elegance. Stay productive and clutter-free with this multifunctional accessory. For those on the move, a compact air pump is essential. This device inflates tires and sports equipment quickly, operates quietly, charges rapidly. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. Secure your valuables with a smart safe that doubles as a bedside clock. It features wireless charging, displays time and temperature, and offers multiple access methods, including fingerprint and app control. Keep your belongings safe and accessible with this discreet solution. When venturing off the grid, a propane-powered generator provides reliable energy. It's lightweight, operates in extreme temperatures, and stores unused power for later use. With a solar backup option, you can enjoy continuous power during your outdoor adventures. Improve indoor air quality with a quiet, efficient purifier that removes 99.5% of particles. It's ideal for small spaces, allergy sufferers, and anyone seeking cleaner air. The device connects via Bluetooth, allowing you to monitor and control it remotely. For plant lovers without a green thumb, a smart indoor garden takes care of watering and lighting. It adapts to your plant's needs, ensuring optimal growth even when you're away. Monitor progress through an app and enjoy fresh herbs and greens year-round. Combine stress relief and functionality with a fidget toy that also serves as a mini tool. Spin it to relax or use it as a screwdriver with built-in bits. It's a practical and entertaining addition to your everyday carry items. Need to tow heavy loads? A rust-proof hitch supports up to 10,000 pounds and installs without tools. Its sturdy design ensures safety and reliability, making it perfect for road trips or transporting equipment. Monitor your health at home with a device that checks vital signs like temperature, heart rate, and oxygen levels. It's user-friendly, provides instant results, and stores data for easy sharing with healthcare providers. Finally, combat stress with a pocket-sized device that offers calming modes. Place it on your neck to experience immediate relaxation without medication. It's discreet, easy to use, and helps you unwind anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.